Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Crafty Saturday. It's Michelle at Making Memories with Michelle, and I'm really happy that you're here with me this morning. Before we begin, I just want to let you know that today is the very last day of Sale-a-Bration, and that means that all of those really amazing Sale-a-Bration items are going to be gone tomorrow. So today is really your last day to get those amazing products. So I'm talking about things like the Lots of Lavender stamp set. Ooh, I've got a glare. Hold on. That's better. And Amazing You, Beautiful Peacock, the Happy Wishes, which was a 2-set stamp set. Party Pandas, can you believe they're going to be gone? I love those guys. And the Heartfelt Blooms, which makes those beautiful, deep, really textured images when you stamp them. So all of those are going to be gone, as well as the Springtime Foils paper. And today I wanted to do a project with the Springtime Foils because it's one of the last times I'm going to be able to use it. So before we begin, the host code that is active until the end of today is U29TCW6V. And today, when you spend $50, not only do you get a free Sale-a-Bration item of your choice, but I'll also send you 5 free handmade cards if you use the host code. If you spend $100, you can either have 2 Sale-a-Bration items or one of those $100 items that are in the Sale-a-Bration catalog, or in addition to, I'll send you 5 free cards plus a little something special. Sorry, I lost my train of thought. Good morning, Sarah. How are you? Hi, Janice. Good to see you. Again, the host code is U29TCW6V. So let's get crafting. I don't know if it's me or if anybody else is a procrastinator, but when it's the holidays, I seem to run out of time. So this week, maybe it's because I don't have little ones at home anymore, but all of a sudden I realized it's Easter and I don't have anything. We're going up to the mountains to see my son, and I don't have anything to take him. So I started playing with these baskets. Now I've seen some people online making these baskets, and they're really, really cute. And I have some Ready Shreddy in there, okay? And I thought, wow, those baskets must be really hard. They're not. I'm going to show you in just a little bit how easy they can be. And they're perfect. You know, I would put things in them like jelly beans or Jordan almonds. Some people might do something crazy like chocolate, but not me. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to get my Simply Scored tool out. And remember I said I was going to have that Springtime foil paper. This one I used the Sweet Soiree, and you can see it has the beautiful silver foil in it, and it's nice and thick. This Springtime Foils paper is even thicker, making it perfect for 3D items. So I have it here on my Simply Scored tool, and I'm simply going to score at 2 inches and at 4 inches, and I'm going to turn it 90 degrees and score it one more time at 2 inches and 4 inches. And that's all I need my scoring board for. Now with your bone folder, look, this one's clean. They just pop up everywhere, okay? So score or fold and burnish on all of the score lines. So you're going to burnish that 4 times. Sorry, my paper's twisting around. And then, because this is thicker paper, I've got my crafting scissors out. I don't normally use these but because this is thick and foil, I'm going to cut. I'm going to make that flap there, okay? And cut right up to the score line. Then I'm going to turn it, and where I'm cut on those sides, I'm going to cut those right here, up to the score line. Oh, sorry, that's Charles barking. I left the door open so he could come in and out, okay? Then, the other thing that I have is an 11 by 1/2 inch long strip. And I'm going to take my bone folder on this, and this is going to be my handle. So I'm going to just gently curl that. See how that curls? Okay, in both directions, so that I have a nice curl on my handle. Because this paper is heavy, I'm going to use tear and tape. And what we're going to do, this is the base now of our basket, and fold that flap in. And this creates our little pocket, okay? But I want to put my handle on first. So I'm going to take a small piece of tear and tape and put it on one end. And here's on this end. And I'm just going to kind of eyeball where to place that. Make it even. Hold on. I put that on the wrong side. Whew. Good thing I didn't press it on too hard. I didn't think that looked right. Okay. Now we can come through and fold up our sides. So I'm going to put tear and tape on the inside of both. You never know when you're on Facebook Live what's going to happen. And now my dog's going to bark all morning. I'll just kind of part of keeping it real here. At least my little one is sleeping. Okay, one more piece. You know, on the other one with the Sweet Soiree paper, I used Fast Fuse, and that works great. But since this is that really heavier specialty paper. Okay, so now you're just going to come up and fold those here. And it kind of just makes a little triangle box. I think these are perfect. Look at that. How cool is that? Okay, so this is perfect for like a little place setting, or I think it'd be really neat, you know, for like wedding favors or shower favors. So to decorate this one, you know, on here I used the Good Day little bunny and colored him with the blends. I thought he was really cute on this paper. But on this one, I wanted something a little more, I don't know, to match. So I cut out a copper cross, this filigree cross from the Hold On to Hope bundle. And I have my Fast Fuse, and get those pieces out of there. This is a silicone mat, and I'm just going to roll a little Fast Fuse on here. And then I cut out the solid cross, and I'm going to lay that filigree right over that. Isn't that pretty? It just really pops and stands out. Then with a scalloped layering circle, I cut out a copper circle. I'm going to add a little fast fuse to that. And I'm going to put it right here. Add some dimensionals to the back of my cross. And attach it to my basket. So there you have a very sweet and simple springtime foil basket that is perfect. Here's the one I made earlier with a little ready shreddy. Okay, you can put something in it. You could put candies, you could put a little gift, you could put a little Easter egg, or you could even put, you know, your favorite scripture. So I hope you enjoyed today's project. All of the measurements and directions will be on my blog as soon as I upload this video. The blog is written, the measurements are there, and go ahead, take a stab at it. It's something that's simple, it's something that's quick, and I think everybody who comes to your table will just really enjoy it. So thanks for joining me. Again, Sale-a-Bration ends today. The host code is U29TCW6V. Thank you, Janice. I really appreciate, or Janice, excuse me. I appreciate your comments. I think it's beautiful too. Oh, Sarah says she's going to make some for a restaurant table tomorrow. That's perfect, right? We're going to go up to Boone and we're going to go see Nathaniel. I think that would be a great little thing on our Easter table, wherever we end up. Have a happy Easter, everyone. Thanks for joining me, and make it a crafty weekend. I will see you next week. Bye.